I made over $2.5 million with Amazon affiliate marketing, and I did that without ever having a big following. So I know pretty much everything that there is to know about this program. And in this video, I'm going to show you what Amazon affiliate marketing really is, how a complete beginner can sign up and start earning with Amazon affiliate today, and why it's easier than ever to start and scale, and why most information out there is now quickly becoming outdated. And in the end, I'm going to reveal the simple things that I use, which allow me to earn 6 to 7 figures consistently over the last 9 years with Amazon affiliate marketing, and convert attention into income without needing a big following online and without having to work insane hours. So for starters, at the most basic level, Amazon affiliate marketing is the act of connecting a person who has a problem with a product that solves that problem. That's it. You find somebody who's looking for a specific item and you point them to Amazon, and when they buy it, Amazon pays you a finder's fee essentially. You can think about it like this. Imagine a friend asks you where you got your running shoes from, and you tell them you got them at the Nike store. Then they go to the Nike store and then they buy those shoes. Well, you just did affiliate marketing just without the commission. Your friend had a problem. They needed shoes, and then you gave them the solution, which was the store, and then the store got the sale. The only difference is with Amazon, they track the recommendations and they cut you in on a percentage of that sale. Now, the reason why Amazon is a gold standard for affiliate marketing is because of trust. You can find other programs out there that do affiliate marketing and they'll pay you 30 to 40%, but nobody knows who they are. On the other hand, everybody has an Amazon account. Everybody has their credit card saved to Amazon. Everybody knows that packages with Amazon will arrive in a day or two and knows their refund policy, meaning that the friction to buy is essentially zero. When you send somebody to Amazon, you aren't actually selling the product specifically. You're selling the click. Amazon does all the rest. And the best part is you don't just get the commission on the product that you recommend. You get the commission on all products that that person buys within that shopping session. So if you recommended your friend a pair of running shoes and then that person went on to also buy a TV, you'd get a commission for both. So the Amazon affiliate program is called Amazon Associates. It's free to join, but there is some specific rules that you need to know before signing up, or you will get banned. Amazon requires you to make 3 sales within the first 180 days of opening your account. And if you don't, they close your account. But the good news is, at the end of this video, you'll have the exact way to start getting traffic today without relying on anybody who you know in real life. To set it up, go to the Amazon Associates homepage and log in with your normal Amazon account. It'll ask you for your mobile app or website list. This is just a compliance check. You need to tell them where the traffic is coming from, basically. If you're starting a YouTube channel, you can paste in your YouTube URL. If you have a blog, you can paste in your domain name here. And you need at least one valid URL to get approved. But if you're a complete beginner, don't worry. By the end of this video, I'll show you exactly how you can start both a website or YouTube channel to get approved. Once you're in, you can configure your payment settings. So you can choose direct deposit, to be mailed the check, or an Amazon gift card. Most people are obviously going to choose direct deposit, but you also need to take a tax interview, which is just a digital form that confirms where you're from. If you're from outside of the US, like I am, some countries offer direct deposit. Some you will need to get a check mailed to you. Once your account is active, you get access to a tool called SiteStripe. This is a small bar at the top of your screen that will appear on every page on Amazon when you're logged into this account. To get a link, you just go on the product page that you want to promote, click Get Link on the Stripe bar, and then you can copy and paste that short link. Now, you can do this on essentially any product on Amazon and start earning just like that. But if you want to have success, you want to pick the right products. Commissions vary based on category, and understanding this chart here is the difference between making pocket change and actually making a living with this program. If you look at luxury beauty, it pays 10%. So if you sell a $50 face cream, you'll get $5. Now, if you look at PC components or video game consoles, they often pay 1 to 2%. So you need to sell a $500 gaming console to make that same $5 to $10. You also have to consider who's looking at reviews of what. A lot of beauty products, for example, are repeat purchases, but you only get a commission once, when a PC is more of a one-time purchase. So somebody's more likely to look at a recommendation on that. So you can decide which type of game that you want to play. You can play the high volume, low commission, or the low volume, high commission. Both work, but in different ways. Now, there is this hidden variable that makes Amazon so powerful, and that's that cookies will last for 24 hours, meaning when somebody clicks on your link, they get tagged as your referral. So you'll get paid for anything that they purchase within that 24-hour span, not just the product that you've linked them to. So if you made a piece of content talking about the best blenders for smoothies and somebody clicks on your link to one of the blenders, they look at that blender, but then they add it to cart. And then they also remember, hey, they need to buy a new pair of diapers, a TV, maybe a pair of shoes. They check out all those items. You get a commission on all of those items. And because Amazon sells so many other products, that is a very common thing that will happen. I've seen accounts where 30, 40, 50% of their income comes from products that they never mention. You're essentially getting paid just for acting as the gateway to get somebody onto Amazon. Now, this is a primary reason why the goal is to get the click. Once somebody's on Amazon, Amazon's recommendations can take over, and the engine is the best salesperson in the world. But still, picking the right products is absolutely essential. So how would a beginner go about doing this? A beginner might think, hey, I like this coffee mug thing, so I'll review it. That is a mistake. Don't guess. You should look at the data. And I use a tool called Viral View or Jungle Scout to see what's actually selling to know what to actually promote. So here is the exact workflow that I would use inside of something like Jungle Scout. One, you can open Amazon product database. This will allow you to essentially filter Amazon's entire product catalog. And then you can set the minimum monthly sales to 300 because you can't really create demand for something where there is no demand. If nobody's buying something, normally it's not really a product that you want to promote. Or you can use a tool called Viral View. It's very easy to use. It'll show you exactly how much revenue each item is making on Amazon. It's specifically built for affiliates. It does mostly everything that Jungle Scout does, but even a bit more. Viral View also tracks what's going viral on social platforms, so you can promote those things before they hit the mainstream. They're both great tools, but if I could only recommend one, I would say Viral View. I'll leave a link in the description to both. If you want to start Amazon affiliate marketing, I would definitely recommend checking out those for sure because they will save you a lot of time and energy and probably give you a good ROI. Now, traffic is the lifeblood to this business. Without traffic, your links are doing nothing. Now, there's two main buckets of traffic, search and social. You need to understand the psychology of both because the conversion is completely different depending what path you go down. Search traffic primarily comes from Google and YouTube. This is what I would call as high intent traffic, meaning somebody goes onto Google and if they type in best vacuum cleaner for pet hair, they have a specific problem that they're actively searching for a product to solve, meaning they're at the very bottom of the funnel and they're completely ready to buy. So if you create a blog post or a YouTube video that answers a specific question, your conversion rate can be very high. I've seen conversion rates be as high as 10% or even higher when doing this search-based traffic. That means if 100 people click your link, 10 people buy that product. On top of that, this kind of traffic is an asset. People who search this up today will also search this up 5 days from now, 10 days from now, 10 months from now, whatever. So if you make a video or write an article once, it can sit there and rank on Google or rank on YouTube for years to come. I have videos from 4 years ago that still generate sales every single day, and I haven't touched them since the day that that video was uploaded. And that's how you end up with one video that takes you a few hours to make that makes $10,000, $20,000 or more. Now, social traffic is TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, for example. This is what I would call interruption type traffic. So when somebody's scrolling TikTok, they're looking for dopamine. They want to be entertained. They're not looking for a vacuum cleaner to buy. If somebody interrupts their scroll with a video about a vacuum, they're going to have a much harder time convincing them that they should buy this item. And that's because the friction is massive. The conversion rate is going to be significantly lower and ironically, also a lot harder to get views on. For this reason, unless you consistently go viral on a thing like TikTok, you're going to be better off with SEO either on YouTube or on Google. Now, all this information is great, but unless you're able to actually get traffic, none of this will matter. So here's exactly how you can get traffic to start and scale with Amazon affiliate marketing today. So right now we're going to build a niche website. This site can help you answer the question of where am I sending the traffic from when you're signing up for Amazon. So it's what I would recommend for most people starting out. We're going to use Hostinger because it's the simplest and easiest website builder for a blog that I've seen right now, and it's affordable. So here's step by step exactly how you can do this within a few minutes. I'll leave the information in the description. If you want to follow along, you can sign up. They usually run discounts. So for starters, head over to hostinger.com and grab the business plan. That's going to be the one that gives you access to all the AI tools, which is just going to make this whole process a lot easier, and it'll basically automatically build out your website and write the blogs for you. So you pick the plan, go to checkout, create an account. It takes about 2 minutes. Once you're in the dashboard, click the website on the left and then choose Add Website. Choose Hostinger AI Website Builder. It's going to ask you for a brief description of the website that you want. Just type a short description of what your blog would look like. Something like a minimal personal blog about travel and photography and the products that you use when traveling. Generate, and in about 30 seconds, the AI will build out your entire site. The layout, the colors, the pages, the placeholder content, all of it. If it's not quite right, you can just hit try again and tweak your description and let it regenerate. Once it looks close to what you want, you'll drop it into the editor. Now you can just drag and drop within the editor. The AI already did most of the work for you, so you really only need to swap out a few minor details. Click on the headline, add it, and change it to your blog's name, and then update the tagline underneath it. Scroll down and replace the About section to a couple sentences about yourself. If you want to rearrange anything, you can just drag it, and if you want to add something new on the left sidebar as an element, you can just drag it in. But honestly, for now, just focus on getting your text and images updated. You don't need to overthink the design. The AI already handled that. Now, the important part is just to click on the 3 dots on the menu on the top editor and select blog. This opens up the blog manager. Pick a tone, either formal, casual, or neutral. I'd recommend neutral, and choose the length. Then describe the post that you want to write about. So for example, the best backpacks for travel. Then hit generate and the AI will write the whole post for you. Read through it, add your own voice, and fix anything that sounds off, and you're good to go. Then just click the publish button at the top corner. Your plan comes with a free domain for a year, so you'll be able to type in the name that you want, something like yourblog.com, and register it. And if you haven't already decided on a name yet, just pick a free subdomain option for now and come back to that later. Hit publish and your blog is live. You can now add affiliate links to that website and start earning with affiliate marketing just like that. It only takes a few minutes to start and get set up. The link to use Hostinger is in the description. Right now, they usually run some discounts, so you can check that out. Now, the other option here is YouTube SEO, which works differently than Google SEO. Both have clear pros and cons. With Google SEO, the conversion rate is usually much higher. There's less friction and fewer distractions, and often less competition when doing Google SEO, especially for niche markets. Downside is that ranking on Google can usually take longer for most people who are starting out, so it might be a little harder to break in. Now, YouTube is the opposite. On YouTube, it's actually easier to rank as a beginner. The platform is more forgiving, especially for small creators, but the trade-off is the competition and the friction. You're competing with suggested videos, shorts, autoplays, other distractions, meaning there's significantly fewer clicks per impression and generally lower conversion versus Google. That said, YouTube is still one of the best platforms to start with, especially if you have $0 and you want to start today. It's largely what I've done to earn millions through Amazon affiliate. So how does Amazon affiliate work on YouTube? Well, the primary way that affiliate videos work in general on YouTube is through search-based content, which is a lot different from most videos that you'll probably see on the platform and entirely different from most videos that you'll see in the entertainment space. To make an affiliate marketing video on YouTube, you need to start with the title, and your title has one core rule. The product that you're trying to rank for must be in the name of that title. For example, if you're making a video talking about the iPhone 14, then the words iPhone 14 need to appear somewhere in that title. From there, you need to add in some curiosity or clickbait. The structure can change, but the product name is going to stay the same. So, for example, the iPhone 17 review after 365 days of use, or I tested the iPhone 17 for a year. Here's what I found. Or this is why you should buy the iPhone 17. The product name can be at the beginning, it could be at the middle, it could be at the end. It doesn't matter as long as the title is enticing and it has the product name included. Next, you'll need a good thumbnail, which should visually reinforce the product that the viewer is searching for. Typically, the product should be centered and clearly visible. Here is an example of how that might look. If somebody's looking for a camera and the camera is front and centered, paired with a clear title, you've done 80% of the work. The next part is the introduction. In the first few sentences, you should clearly reinforce the title of the video. So, for example, I tested the iPhone 17 for 365 days, and here's everything that you need to know if you're thinking about buying it. It's simple, it's direct. From there, the body of the video should be experience driven. You can share what matters, cut the filler, and if you don't want to be on camera, the good news is nobody cares. Faceless videos work perfectly fine. You can show the product, you can show screen recordings, you show B-rolls or images. The value comes from the information, not your face. Even better, you don't always need to own the products. Many successful videos or blog posts are based on the specs, on the features, on the comparison, on the research. People care far more about useful, actionable information, more so than whether you've personally owned a product. So if you can help somebody make a purchase decision by simplifying all that research into one easy to understand piece of content, they're going to appreciate that. People will appreciate somebody who makes a good video or a good blog post way more than somebody who doesn't know what they're talking about, sharing their unclear opinion with the physical product in their hand. So somebody with $0 and zero products can still have success doing this. The best part is once you start to make content, you can partner with brands to be paid to review their products. You can have products sent to you, hundreds of products worth thousands of dollars once you really start getting going and you start posting videos or making articles. And that's the reason why I think that this is one of the best things that people can reasonably start today. There's not a big time or financial investment to get started with Amazon affiliate marketing. You have all the steps that you can start, earn, and grow today. So now you know what the Amazon affiliate program is, how it works, and how you can start and earn today with both Google SEO and YouTube. If you want tools to help you find the best products to promote, you can check out ViroView. The link for that will be in the description. And if you want to start your own blog so you can start earning today with the Amazon affiliate program, you can check out the Hostinger link in the description down below. Hope that you found this video helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next video.